Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today I will show you a beauty makeup with brown shades using cone products. First of all, I hydrate my skin with Hydrating Primer and also my lips with HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. Both of the products contain hyaluronic acid. They're really hydrating and nice for the skin. I'm applying now Longwear Foundation in shade 1R30. I like this shade because it's a little bit more pinky and I like this fresh effect. I'm applying it completely over my face and also I'm covering the ears, which is really important. Now I'm highlighting under the eyes and also middle of the face with HD Pro Concealer in shade N15. I'm setting now my makeup with Setting Smooth Loose Powder. It's a pure rice powder, very fine and very nice to fix because it's very transparent. The shade is 1Y35. I'm contouring now my skin with contour powder Redwood. It's a really nice reddish and cool shade. I'm using it as contouring, but also sometimes as blush, and I like also to use this color as eyeshadow. I'm contouring also my lips to create more volume. I'm using powder blush in shade Naked. I'm applying it over my cheekbones and also over the bridge of the nose. My skin is ready. I'm beginning with eyes makeup. For this, I'm using Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade True Brown. It's a really nice shade to create a smoky effect. I'm blending it with a blending brush. And I'm intensifying the look with Cream Gel Liner Espresso. I'm applying it on the waterline and also between the lashes. Don't forget to blend the colors well. For my eyebrows, I'm using the same product, Cream Gel Liner in shade Espresso. For more glamorous eyes, I'm applying on my eyelids Pearl Pigment Brown Sugar. I'm highlighting now my skin with Pearl Pigment Sensation. I'm highlighting over my cheekbones and also middle of the face. And also very important to highlight the inner corner to create more bigger eyes. For the lips, I'm using my favorite shade for the moment, the color name Famous. It's a nice nude shade for more lighter skin tones. And I'm waiting a minute to dry the lipstick to apply the gloss. The gloss is one of our newest products, which is coming soon, and I'm really happy for this, guys. I can't wait to share it with you. Now I'm ready, as you see. Hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye bye.